In this video, I'm going to look at that very, very common construction that we use so much in graphics. Drawing a line that's parallel to another line, but it has to be a set distance away from it. It's not just a parallel line, simple enough to draw. But we need one here, and just in this example, it needs to be 25 millimeters away from whichever line. So it doesn't matter whether it's this line or that line or the one underneath. The construction is exactly the same in each case. So what you need is both set squares. So take the first one and just butt it up to the line. Okay, make sure it's running dead along that line. So there's your first set square in place. And then butt the second one up to it, like that. Now ideally you'd use two hands here. I'm holding the camera with my other hand. So the first set square must be along the line and must not move. The second one then goes up into place, right, and sits underneath it, and again mustn't move. So then keep that one in place. This set square must be in place, and then just slide this one back any distance at all. Okay, so it's in like this. Put the other one to it, obviously not letting them move. Slide it back, holding that one. That one must stay still. Slide it back, and then hold this one in place and put the first one to it, and then draw a perpendicular line. Again, it doesn't matter what distance. So just draw a perpendicular line down there. So just drawing that line down, which is perpendicular to this one. So just to watch it being done again, first set square goes to that line, second set square tight to it, hold the 45, slide this one back, making sure that nothing moves, take that one out and put it in on top, and then just draw a line down there, and we'll mark off the 25 in a minute, but that line doesn't have to be 25 long, it can be any length. So we've marked off the 25 there, made it a bit bigger that you can see it. So that line here is perpendicular, that line there is perpendicular to that line. And then we're going to do the same construction again. Okay, first set square along the line, second set square to the first one, and then sliding the first one back, but making sure the second one doesn't move. That one can't move. And if it does move, just reset it. Just go back to the line again, make sure it's tight, and then just slide this one back till you get to the 25 line and just draw it down. So this second line then is parallel to that first line. So just, how did I do that? Just once again, set square up to the line, second set square to the first set square, then first set square slides back, not allowing the second set square to move until you hit your 25 millimeter point, and just draw your line down. Now if you were drawing one parallel to this, it's the exact same construction again. So 45 to the 60, slide it back, perpendicular line, not allowing this one to move, perpendicular line, measure back 25, and then just take it out. So just imagine the 45 is just touching it there. So just sliding it along the 45 until you hit the 25 millimeter point along that perpendicular line. So watch it again if you need to, but that first construction, it doesn't matter where the line is, it doesn't matter how complicated the shape, every line is a separate entity. So drawing a line parallel to that, just sliding back using your two set squares.